In this video, we're doing routine maintenance on a Rheem water softener. I'll show you how to add the cleaner, run a recharge or cleaning cycle, check the salt level, and update the reminder on the control panel. First thing we'll do is open up the water softener and look at the panel. If you're seeing a clean message, that's totally normal. It's just a 4-month reminder telling you that it's time to add cleaner. You'll pour it right into the brine well, which is the tube on the right with a red sticker on the cap. At this point, you can open your bottle of water softener cleaner, remove the cap from the brine well, it just pulls off, empty the contents of the bottle down that tube, and when the bottle's empty, replace the cap by pressing it back on, and then push any button on the panel of the water softener to clear that clean message. After adding a cleaner, now is a good time to check the salt level. I usually keep mine about 5 or 6, so that looks good. Now we just need to make sure everything is set up in the panel to run the recharge cycle tonight. To schedule the cleaning cycle, you'll want to press the recharge button once. The recharge tonight indicator tells you that the cleaning cycle will run at the scheduled time that we have in the panel. I'll show you that here in a moment. You can press the button again to cancel, or you can press and hold the recharge button for 3 seconds to run the recharge cycle immediately. I like to run mine at night when there's less demand on the water, so I will leave it scheduled. We did check our salt level. It is at level 5. That's the current time. That is the preferred hardness. That is when we have the clean cycle scheduled to run. And that's the type of salt we use in this machine. Then we're back to the first page. So everything is set. The clean cycle will run at 2 a.m. and then we'll come back and check the salt level and add more if necessary. It is the next day and the recharge cycle ran last night. We previously cleared the clean message, but the recharge scheduled message on the panel has been reset. Everything looks good. The salt level did go down, so I think we'll add some salt and adjust the panel like you would on monthly salt level checks. On a side note, if you're sweeping around the machine, be careful not to knock these drain lines out of this drain, because I did, and I ended up with water on the floor. To demonstrate what you do if you're low on salt, I'm going to add a bag and update the salt level on my panel. Industry guidance says you wouldn't want to go below about 1/4 capacity of your salt storage tank, and you wouldn't want to go over 2/3, and that's for wear and tear. So this is really about the highest I'd want the salt level in my system. And of course, we need to check the panel, make sure we update the salt level. Not going to make any other changes. Now that we completed the service on the water softener, look for my upcoming video where we replace the Culligan whole house water filter.